I'm Tony from Escatrer Mechanical Sheet Metal, and we're at the Centerline Fire Department and Public Safety on a new Cambridge installation. They called us out to come to a problem solution of what they had. We got rid of a conventional HVAC system, put the Cambridge in, pressurized the building, and the owners were ecstatic with the results.
I had HVAC units in here, and one of them failed. Tony came to us and he said he wanted to come with this Cambridge unit. And he said, I'm going to run it all the time. And I thought, well, you're crazy. It's going to cost me money, I know that. And son of a gun. We're saving, it's tough to really predict or to quantify the savings because it's only part of the building. But my whole building's energy, as far as gas and electricity, are down. So I know you're saving me a lot because I didn't touch the rest of the building. So all those savings are coming from here. I'm really impressed. The other nice thing about this is it's just a little overpressurized. Not enough so you can't open the doors, but enough so that when something's open, you've got air coming out instead of the cold air rushing in. I don't know how you get the word out about how good these units are. That's tough, because I looked up a lot of similar stuff online, because once Tony, okay, I respect Tony, he's a great guy, but I looked things up too. And I looked up a lot of stuff online, and I saw this sounded similar and that sounded similar, but now that we have this Cambridge unit, I can tell they're not similar. This is the unit, as far as I'm concerned. This is what's saving us the money. This is what's making this a comfortable place to work now, and I'm just very appreciative.
It's a lot in a small package.
Well, that's the thing. We're talking just this one little unit. I came out here when you first installed it, and I'm looking at it and oh, that's not going to work. Tony's a nice guy, but obviously he's a little confused. And son of a gun, because it's constantly running. The other great thing is, you know, even though we have the hoses for the fumes from the trucks, it's still good to be always blowing fresh air into here. So that we've always got an air exchange. It's heated air coming in all the time. You know, in my own home, I bring in cold air purposely to get fresh air in. And here, you're doing it with the furnace. Managing a city, I know that the real cost is your long-term cost. The initial cost everyone looks at, but that's not the big deal. So I was really concerned about new technology and is it going to last? Is it going to have a lot of complicated stuff? You know, when I went from a 80 plus to a 90 plus furnace, all of a sudden there was a whole lot of different things to worry about. Why, look at this, this is nothing. This is like a giant salamander blowing into our building. I mean, how easy can that be? I can see this is going to last forever. And that's what I'm excited about.
The Cambridge team would love to show you how we can help with your HVAC challenges. With Cambridge reps throughout North America, we can provide a free assessment of your facility or design project. We help leaders in manufacturing and warehousing create healthy working environments for your hardworking people.